Our problem of the day says, what are ways to make 9? So I'm going to start with 9 cubes. And when I have my 9 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm going to use this to make some different ways of 9. I'm going to just pull one off to start. So I can use the number 1, write that down. And 1 plus whatever this is will equal 9 because we had 9 before. So how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 plus 8 equals 9. Now, we could be smart about this to find another way to make 9. We could write the turnaround fact. Say it with me. Let's write the turnaround fact. So instead, I'm going to say 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, that's 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, I'm going to put my 9 all back together. Now I got to think of a different way to do it. Well, what if I just pull 3 off? Let's see what that is. So if I have 3, 1, 2, 3, I'll set that down and I'll write 3 here. So here's my 3. How much do I have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 6. So I'm going to take my 3 and put it on my 6. I'll get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, let's be smart about this. Let's write that turnaround fact. So instead of saying 3 plus 6, we'll say 6 plus 3 equals, put them all together, you get 9. So here we use that turnaround fact. We used a turnaround fact there too. Okay, let's find one more way to make 9. I'm just going to pull some cubes off. I pulled this many off. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 4 plus 5 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It equals 9. We could write the turnaround fact for that one too if we wanted. And we've found some ways to make 9. Today, our learning target says, I can find the missing part of 9. So that is what we'll be working on. At home, if you have your cubes, you can use these to help you solve these problems. Otherwise, you could use a different resource or you could draw a picture. Let's go ahead and read the first problem here. It says, find the missing part. Write the numbers. Notice how it says 9 here. And then it's trying to show you that this whole thing is going to be 9. So it's saying the whole thing will be 9. Okay, let's take a look at how many they had here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8. Okay, so I'm going to use my cubes to help me. So I'm going to have 8. Here's 8. How many do I have left over? I just have 1. So I'm going to put a dot here for 1. 1 dot. And so my missing part was 1. 9 equals 8 plus 1. Let's take a look at our next problem. Again, it has us wanting to find the whole of 9. And again, take a look. They're saying this is the whole. So these two things added together need to equal 9. So I'm going to use my cubes. I know I have 9 cubes. I've already counted them. I'm going to count how many they start with, the part I know, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The part I know is 6. I will write that down. Okay, now I'm going to use my cubes to help me. So I'm going to find 6 cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 cubes. That's the same as the drawing. Now I'm going to see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3. The missing part is 3. I'm going to put a 3 here. Then I am going to draw 3 in here. Let's use that spatial pattern we are familiar with. 1, 2, 3. So 6 and 3 is 9. Let's look at your math practice today. The learning target says, I can find the missing part of 9. Here it says, find the missing part. 9 turkeys in all. They show you a part that they know. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3. You would write that here then, 3. Then you need to find the missing part. Well, if I know this is 3, let's find out with my cubes what the missing part is. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull those off. And then I'm going to see how many are left here. This is my missing part because I started with 9 and took 3 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The missing part is 6. Now, I still want to draw a picture here. So I'm going to draw a picture of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the same over here on that problem. Then you'll notice the next 4 are like that one that we did together. And then finally, it says complete the number sentence. So all of these, I'm going to point out to you, need to equal 9. They all equal 9. So we need to start with 9 cubes. And then it says 7 plus something is going to equal 9. So it's going to equal this. Well, let's find where the 7 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's 7 cubes. I'm going to pull off this. So this is my 7. Plus what? Well, how much do we not know? The missing part to the addition sentence is 2. So we didn't know it was 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here. That's one strategy to solve that problem. A different strategy, if you don't want to use cubes or you don't have them at home, is you could draw a picture by counting on. Okay, so we need to get to 6. So I'm going to draw, we need to get to 9. So I'm going to draw a picture to help. So we have 3 to start. I'm going to count on by drawing a picture. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got to 9. But now I need to know how much is this? Well, I could go back and count those dots. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it took 6 to get to 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Go ahead and do that for the next 2 here as well.